How to create Pinterest ad on Canva. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest ad on Canva fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Canva like this, and now go down below and click on this ad option right here and search for Pinterest here. Now, after you search for Pinterest, you will find the Pinterest ad option. Click on it and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page. After it takes you to this page, it will give you many Pinterest templates. Now you can choose any of these. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on it and click again, choose the one you want. Now you will be able to change the photo, and you can change it by clicking on it and then go click on replace. Also you can change the text as you want by clicking on it. For example, test. As you can see, it's very easy to edit, and after you finish, click download here in the top corner. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.